From the same mother, me father to the fullest, yeah man. Me take this opportunity to wish you the very happiest birthday. Yeah. All nakuna renyine. Bwali bwerote. Omwaka gwali gwalukumuwenda. Lukumumuwenda chinana mwebiri. Ngende maso nebyafayo. Genda maso ne.
Abagaliza His Excellency Kyagulanyi birthday nungi. Nimirwa boy wange. Olunaku lwa kuvimba vimba.
Yo, Mr. President, happy birthday to you. From Pepe Busi wo the baddest FDM chekikosi tukwagaliza wangu z'imyaka health wise byonna ebisinga. Happy birthday, Mr. President, we love you.
Yo, amanya ne doubles fake for make fresh boy King Kong. Era nga ndi waneno okwagaliza President Mr. Bobi Wine Kyagulanyi Sentamu amazaalibwa amalungi. Tukwagala nnyo, webale nnyo ku inspiring abavubuka, webale nnyo kutu inspiring, webale nnyo emirimu gy'okola. One love.
Yo mwimbi wondi wano okuyoza okwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi. Yo our president Donald Nupu Muchimani, the ghetto gladiator Tata Solomoni, yeah Babi amazaalibwa amalungi.
Ya amanya enza Haji Kaze Kapo nkwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi ag'eddembe ag'essanyu Principal Tata Solomon atera President wange
nze Kibijigiri Godfrey ng'omuyimbi njagaliza Bobi Wine muyimbi munanga amazaalibwa amalungi. Happy birthday to you.
Uganda wange His Excellency Mr. President Bobi Wine, my friend, my president. You want to kwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi.
Your Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu, President wa Uganda Omuronde. Nse twagala okwagaliza amazaalibwa ag'essanyu ag'omwaka guno.
Nze Morina Ntume nganzize okwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Yes, mbogo nkwagala nnyo munange mwanyinaze amazaalibwa amalungi.
Obubaka bwange leero bwe njagala okukuwa ku mazaalibwa ago. Happy birthday. Webale nnyo ku inspiring generation yaffe eno. Mukama ayongere okukuwa obuvumu n'obulamu okwongera oku inspiring ddala generation nezirija. Happy birthday Mr. Bobi Wine.
Amanya mpitibwa Irene Namatovu nga ntwala omukisa guno okwagaliza President wange Bobi Wine Kyagulanyi Sentamu amazaalibwa amalungi. Happy birthday.
Talo ngaluwedde. You don't know this is Kabako Majega Kutaka Infantry Takataka General Fan the dance floor Majega Kutaka. First of all, let me wish to the President, His Excellency Bobi Wine, happy birthday. Basebone banyamo njagala bategeza. Esawe n'ennyini. Olunaku lwennyini. Bwali bwerote. Omwaka gwali gwa 1900. Lukumumuwenda chinana mwebiri. Ngende maso nebyafayo. Genda maso nebyafayo.
Happy birthday my president. Nkwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi owangale ofuge eggwanga lino libeere mu ssanyu olirabize ennaku gye lirabye ebbanga lyonna.
Hi Daddy Bobi Kyagulanyi. It's me your daughter Grace Kande Diva. I wish you a happy birthday. Blow more candles. Thank you so much for loving us.
Yes, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you. We love you so much. Tukwagala nnyo sa and we mean it.
Happiest birthday.
And blessing to you, our beloved daddy. Just to tell you that we love you so much. May God give you until you sit on that seat. You can have in to go Yabikola, but no one never want to go Yabikola. And I will just wish you the happiest birthday. Just to go ready planning as a good young famous.
Happy birthday, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Bad Bobi Wine.
Big up to the one and name Ghetto President, the President himself, the gladiator himself. Me brother from the same mother, me father to the fullest. Yeah man, me take this opportunity to wish you the very happiest birthday. Yeah man, age gracefully because you like fine wine, brother.
Hey, what's up beautiful people? My name is Deliver Julio Bobi. Me started together with the B2C Soils, aka Kampala Boys. Elanga tuliwana tukamba His Excellency Bobi Wine. Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Happy birthday.
Oh, hi Bobi. My name is Fifi the Queen. Edda wampitanga gwe Kafifi.
and I'm here to say a happiest, I don't know, what word can I use really? The most birthday Katonda jayinza okuwa njikwagaliza olunaku olwaleero. I wish you all the best and say nebirungi byeyina byesobola okuwa olunaku ndukwagaliza olulungi.
Yo, this Swagger Nation aka Bobby Muto, Mr. President, Bad Bobi Wine, more respect, happy birthday, more love, blessings, you don't know, say boo 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 boo. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Bobby, happy birthday to you.
Hey, yo, Mr. President, the ghetto gladiator, the people's president, Uganda's truly elected president. Me and the masters and the brothers here, we wish you a happy birthday and many more returns. We love you, and Uganda loves you as a country, and Africa loves you, the entire world loves you.